Right, we start with breaking news coming in right now. This in connection with the Gujarat ATS success that was just registered today. They have nabbed 4 ISIS terrorists in Gujarat. Remember, just a few days back, there was another terror module that was busted by the Gujarat police in Surat. Right now, what we know is that all of these ISIS terrorists who have been arrested are Sri Lankan citizens. That is the big update we have right now. It's a big success by the agencies and the anti-terror squad nabbing 4 ISIS terrorists. And there is going to be a press conference at 4 p.m. today by the Gujarat ATS. They will give us more details about that. But this is, viewers, an Islamic State terror module that has been busted by Gujarat ATS. And what we understand is that there are still more details that are emerging as far as the identities of these 4 individuals, these 4 terrorists are concerned. And the groups they were affiliated to, there is a link to Pakistan that has now emerged as per sources. There's a Pakistan link that is emerging, and we are getting more details on that. Republic TV accessing the first pictures of those 4 ISIS terrorists. The 4 ISIS terrorists, their pictures on your screens right now, viewers. It's the biggest story we are tracking. First and exclusive on Republic TV. ISIS terrorists who are Sri Lankan citizens. They have a Pakistan link. Of course, ISIS and its module busted there. And just a few days back, we saw what happened in Surat. The terror module was busted. One of the Maulanas were also arrested, and there was a plot to carry out assassination of many political leaders, those of the BJP. And in the latest, what we have is that the Gujarat ATS will be holding a press conference in just a while from now, in half an hour, for more details on that. But those are the 4 ISIS terrorists. Those are the pictures of those ISIS terrorists. As per sources, what we are learning is that they have a Pakistan link. They are Sri Lankan citizens, but this is ISIS Sri Lankan module that has been busted in Gujarat. And 4 of those terrorists, their pictures on your screens. This is a Republic TV exclusive, viewers. More details are emerging on that. What we know that they have been recruited from the NTJ, the National Tawheed Jamaat, the National Tawheed Jamaat. And what we know is that the Tawheed Jamaat had in fact carried out the Easter Sunday bombing in Colombo that had killed hundreds of people. And now they were trying to, in fact, carry out, they were planning more terror attacks in the country. These are 4 ISIS terrorists who are Sri Lankan citizens, and what we know is that they belong to the NTJ, the National Tawheed Jamaat, who had the same organization that had carried out the Easter Sunday bombing in Sri Lanka's Colombo. And a Pak link has also emerged to this. This is the first time, remember, viewers, after Kasab, a foreign terrorist, has been caught in the country. This is a big success by the agencies, a big win for the ATS, for the Gujarat ATS. And in just a while from now, in at least 20-25 minutes from now, we expect there will be a press conference by the Gujarat ATS, and we will have more details because this is a big success and some very critical information is emerging right now. These terrorists, remember, have been arrested from the Ahmedabad airport. These are 4 ISIS terrorists who are Sri Lankan citizens. They have been arrested from the airport in Ahmedabad. Then they were targeting the elections. Remember, elections are underway in the country, the Lok Sabha elections, and they had their own nefarious design that they were right now trying to carry out. And in the biggest story of the day that we are cracking, it's they had their handlers in Pakistan, what we know so far. And there's a link that we know to Pakistan. The first time after Ajmal Kasab that foreign terrorists have been caught on Indian soil.
Right, Rakshita, along with that, we also have source-based information coming in that all these terrorists were waiting for orders from Pakistani handlers, and they were also awaiting a separate drop of weapons from these handlers. And the ATS has also recovered encrypted chats from these terrorists' phones. Now, this is the first time after Kasab that a terrorist has been nabbed. We have unmasked all these terrorists. We have Abhishek also joining us live from the newsroom. Abhishek, this is a big development. Gujarat ATS has arrested all these terrorists from the airport, and a sinister park plot has also been exposed.
Well, absolutely, Deepak. This is an intelligence-based operation. Remember, we are being told by our sources that these four National Tawheed Jamaat terrorists were effectively under surveillance. There was something that we knew about this operation being guided from Pakistan territory, and they were going to go for an onward journey via Ahmedabad, and that's how they were nabbed before they could go ahead. In fact, the plan was that they would land in Ahmedabad and create an alibi, move to other parts of the country, look for targets. In the meantime, they would be getting weapons and ammunition from Pakistan, or Pakistan would facilitate weapons and ammunition within India to these four NTJ terrorists, and they would then carry out and execute a terror attack. Remember, this is the first time after Kasab we are hearing that Pakistan had used a foreign national to be for carrying out a terror activity in the country. And the interesting thing is that the agencies came to know of it beforehand and have hence neutralized what could have been a major terror plot. The terror plot has unraveled. These four are in the custody of Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad. At 4 p.m. we are going to have a press conference by the DGP of Gujarat and the Gujarat ATS chief, and we are going to get more details from that press conference. But this seems like a big terror module busted in which Pakistani ISI is clearly involved. These four are Sri Lankan nationals. They were traveling from Colombo. They landed in Ahmedabad and they have been nabbed. They are in custody. They will be produced before a court, before a UAP or court tomorrow. But before that, there would be a press conference. We might get a glimpse of them there. We are yet to get the names of these four terrorists, pictures of whom have been obtained from their passports, and hence we have them. These are belonging to the National Tawheed Jamaat. By the way, Deepak, that's the same terror organization which had carried out the Easter Sunday attacks in Sri Lanka, in Colombo, remember, which had led to the death of over 100 people. And it was a major terror attack taking place in Sri Lanka in recent memory. And this is the same radical organization which has had linkages with the Islamic State. These are highly radicalized individuals. Remember also that about a fortnight back we had one more highly radicalized Islamic State orientation Maulana being nabbed from Surat in Gujarat. Again, there was a Pakistan link, ISI link, and it seems now we are having one more Pakistan terror plot unraveling, with the Gujarat ATS catching these four Sri Lankan nationals essentially, and going to be producing them before press in a bit from now. We are already looking at 3:40. In another 20 minutes, that is 4 p.m., we are going to have that Gujarat police press conference along with the Gujarat ATS, where more details would be shared about this terror plot and the antecedents of these four terrorists associated with NTJ and the Islamic State, and of course the Pakistan angle, the role that Pakistani agencies were playing in fomenting trouble amidst elections in India.
Right, Abhishek. In fact, Gopi is also joining us live on the broadcast with more details on that. Of course, all eyes will be on that press conference of Gujarat ATS, Gopi. But any information that you're picking up, because remember just a few days back in Surat, there was a terror module that was busted. And now we are seeing another. It's a big success. And the fact that these are four individuals who are from Sri Lanka. They're Sri Lankan citizens and their handlers are sitting in Pakistan. What are you picking up as to what they were planning?
Well, Rakshita, when you talk about the terror modules in Gujarat, before a few days, we have also seen bomb threats, which were email of bomb threats which were sent to various schools of Ahmedabad, like the way it had happened in Delhi. After that, yes, Maulana from Surat, whose name is Abu Bakr, was arrested on 4th of this month. And 3 days later, another terrorist was arrested from Bihar, after which one more was arrested in Maharashtra. So yes, it indeed is a very big module, and this is a win-win situation for Gujarat ATS, who have successfully nabbed 4 terrorists from the Ahmedabad airport. Now, the most wanted terrorist Shahnawaz Alam had also made shocking revelations in front of NIA, where he had said that the terrorist organizations are targeting leaders of RSS, BJP and various other Hindu organizations.